In this video, I'm going to show you how to get shape stabilizers in the First Descendant. So, shape stabilizers are awarded for completing zone recon missions or special operations, which are indicated by golden icons on the zone map. As you can see over here, these are the golden icons. So, for example, the repository Vulgus Strategic Outpost mission can reward you with up to 2 shape stabilizer form 2, although the drop chance is very low. These stabilizers are not available from regular missions, so reserve those for obtaining other materials, okay? So over here, as you can see, is a screenshot that shows you what this looks like, so what this mission looks like. And then special operations seem to have a higher drop rate for shape stabilizers, with odds as high as 8%, which is actually quite good. You will gain access to these special operations in each region only after you are completing all other missions there. So firstly, complete all the missions and then you will get access to these special operations. You can launch these operations easily from the terminal next to the mailbox in Albion. And that's how this looks like. So, I hope this video helped you out and you now know how to get shape stabilizers in the First Descendant, and if this video did help you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.